Once a connection has been set up, the next step would be to create specific actions linked to those connections. The most common requirement is to be able to take data from the data source and import it into an app. In a database connection, that would be a select command demonstrated in this tutorial. However, the same process is used in app and text file connections. Select the connection for which you want to create an action. Press the New Action button to create a new action. As an alternative method, select the plus button at the foot of the table to create a new action, followed by the Edit button. The first thing to do in the action screen is to enter a suitable name to identify the action in your app design. In the Action Type drop-down, you will see the options available. They differ for different connection types, and the database connection offers the most types. The Store Procedure option is specific to database connection, and the Delete option is only available for database and text file connections. We will use the Select action for this demonstration, the most commonly used one. It allows the app designer to take data from the data source into the app. Good knowledge of the database table you are connecting to will be required, specifically the table name and the names of the database fields too. Enter the name of the database table in the field provided. Next, we need to include parameters. Send parameters are used to search for or filter specific instances, and the return parameters to return data to the app. An autocomplete button will return all available parameters into the table in a database and a text file connection. You may also manually add parameters, and that's the only way with an app type action. Send parameters will have an operator which by default is equals. Leaving this unchanged would mean searching or filtering using an exact match. But click on the operator for any specific parameter. You can select from various mathematical operators or numeric data, or the like operator, which will then permit short name searches. Return parameters are also set up automatically or manually. Often it's easier to use the autocomplete button and remove any unwanted parameters afterwards. Check the Distinct Values Only checkbox to prevent duplicated data from being returned. This feature is only available for database and text file connections. Once completed, click the Apply Changes button to save the action. The action will now be available for use in app design.